Struggle for a gun between a law enforcement officer and a female. Shots fired. It's like the officer is still alive. She is standing up shooting now. It's going down. Backup just got here. Look at that. She puts her hands up like she's surrendering. And the shooting ensues. So, hey, boom! What's up, you guys? Byron, Rodgers, Tactical Protection Review. Learn protection strategies from a protection professional. Let's see what we can learn from this. But first, like, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notifications when I drop these, because we've got to beat the algorithms, y'all. So check this out, man. We're looking at an altercation between an African-American female, and I don't know if the officer was a male or female. Looks like he might be a white guy, but I can't really tell because of the film. Either way, what ends up happening, what you guys just watched, was this lady struggles with this officer, gets them down to the ground, gets their weapon, disarms them, and then engages them with that firearm. The officer is able to get up, actually it looks like it was a female, another female officer, and run away while she's taking fire. Ladies and gentlemen, I get asked all the time, you know, like, hey, Byron, what kind of weapon should I buy? What kind of firearm should I buy? What kind of gun should I buy? A pistol, whatever. And I'm always kind of like, look, man, pretty much all the guns out there go boom. The technology's there now. Really what you need to focus on is the training you're going to get that goes behind that firearm. We have a saying at my executive protection school, the League of Executive Protection Specialists. Rookies spend money on hardware, professionals spend money on software, right? So if you're gonna be carrying a weapon, you've gotta understand that you need to know how to effectively implement it, how to effectively use it, how to protect it. There's a lot that goes with that you need to take very seriously. You're not safe just because you have a gun, because I can tell you right now, if something went down, a lot of people are just carrying a gun for me. You know what I mean? They're just carrying a gun for a more aggressive, stronger adversary in that environment, right? They're just like walking gun holsters for people. So do not be illiterate when it comes to the art of protecting yourself, your gun, actually effectively implementing that firearm. Otherwise, you've got to realize that any altercation you find yourself in, any physical altercation you find yourself in, is possibly a lethal altercation. Because if you get rendered helpless, if you get knocked out, and you're at the mercy of the person who was previously trying to kill you or beat you up, it's totally up to them what they do next, and you never want to find yourself in that situation. So for this, you know, the message is, if you're someone who's, especially like, physical potency is a tool. If you're capable of becoming stronger and faster, do it, because that's what's going to help you survive in situations like this. Granted, if you're in this situation where this person already has you and they're punching you, you've done a lot wrong, right? I don't teach you guys like one trick moves to like help you like disarm or do any magical stuff. All I really teach on here are the soft skills, the software for living a safer pattern of life so you can avoid situations like this, right? So remember, I mean, if you're in a physical altercation, you've probably already done a lot of things wrong, and that's when you need to make sure you have the hard skills to be able to survive and protect in that scenario. If you're a law enforcement officer, there's no... you should not be the type of person who can get your weapon taken away from you and get used against you. Unfortunately, this happens a lot in the law enforcement community, which is a great tragedy. This speaks volumes to me about the types of people that they are selecting sometimes, and also the type of training these individuals are getting. I shouldn't be going to classes and you know, being able to keep up with or outperform professional protectors at such wide margins, you know what I'm saying? So we need to get our law enforcement officers better training. This whole defunding thing just makes us all more vulnerable. So if you're going out and you're lacing up those shoes every day and you're writing a blank check on your life to go out and fight evil, make sure you take your training. It's a personal thing. Remember, protection, I say this on my podcast, Executive Protection Lifestyle Podcast, protection's more than just a job. It requires a lifestyle, y'all. Byron Rodgers, we're gonna make the world a safer place by helping good people become more dangerous. Go to protectorsymposium.com, download our library, learn from some of the most elite protectors in the world, the art of protection from the comfort of your own home, or come train with us at the Protector Symposium we have coming up, you guys. We're gonna make the world a safer place by helping good people become more dangerous. Keep training. See you on the next piece of content. Out. Boom!